Are you a homemaker who wants to be financially independent? Or are you an aspiring entrepreneur who wants to start a new business venture? Well, if you are any of those, you should start candle making business, which will brighten up your future and fulfill your dreams. Candle making business is very popular worldwide, and its global market value is estimated to reach 4,000 crores by 2027. That is why this is the best time to get into this business. And don't worry, you can start candle making by just a small investment of rupees 5,000 from your home, and you can earn around 20 lakhs per year. Now you must be thinking, is it practically possible? Well, the answer is Miss Shri Vidya Kamath. She runs her successful candle making business and earns 20 lakhs every year from her homemade candles, and today she is going to be our guru for this candle making business course. Now let me tell you what all we shall cover in this course. In this course, you will learn A to Z of candle making business. You will learn how to obtain license, do registration, how to get raw materials, what are different types of candles, and our mentor will practically show you how to make different kinds of candles. Not only this, she is going to tell you how to sell your candles, how to do branding, marketing, and even how to export your candles. You will learn all about expenses and profits in this course, and after completing the course, download course completion certificate and even sell your homemade candles to all users of Freedom app on our marketplace without any middlemen. So do not delay your learning. Download Freedom app. The link is in the description of this video. You can download Freedom app from App Store and Play Store and watch this detailed course on candle making business and change your life forever.